Rocket Lab has exploded higher plus 6.70% to $109.25, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Wednesday, June 17th, and this is your complete global market briefing. The market is lacking a clear catalyst today, leading to choppy, two-way price action. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading lower by minus 0.57%, at $7,511.35. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow marks record high, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip ahead of Fed decision, tech stock squared. NASDAQ 100 dropped sharply minus 1.89% to $29,968. Investor sentiment is being shaped by GOT $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again, the motley fool. Dow Jones edged higher plus 0.64% to $52,000. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs NDTV profit. DAX slipped minus 0.28% to $24,842. This comes as banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 is little changed, hovering near $10,476. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow marks record high, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip ahead of Fed decision, tech stock squared. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, surged plus 6.70% to $109.25. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RKLB stock jumps overnight. Rocket Lab lines up record launch blitz after NASDAQ 100 entry, Yahoo Finance. Meta made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.77% to $593.48. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RDDT versus Meta. Which digital advertising stock has an edge right now? Trading View. ASML plunged minus 4.69% to $1,803.89 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by GOT $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again, the motley fool. JP Morgan surged plus 3.68% to $331.14 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that can JP Morgan Chase stock reach $400 in 2026? TKR.com. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow marks record high, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip ahead of Fed decision, tech stock squared. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude slipped to $78.57 per barrel, down 0.49% on the session. This comes as OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. WTI crude dipped to $74.97 per barrel, down 1.42% on the session. This comes as OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. Natural gas slipped to $3.23, down 0.15% on the session. This comes as banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold ticked up to $4,344.90 per troy ounce, up 0.32% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that Goldman Sachs cuts 2027 oil price estimate on demand uncertainty. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Rocket Lab sits around $115.81. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.13% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.03% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.13, losing 0.06% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to monetary policy decisions. European Central Bank. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button, it genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments, are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.